Welcome to the Undead Laboratory. This video isn't a guide to any build. This is an explanation of how the channel works. To start, there is no set schedule. Videos will be released when they're ready. Sometimes the ideas just aren't flowing or editing takes longer than expected. Let's move on to the structure of the channel. This channel has a few different types of video guides, so the thumbnails are color-coded to try to make it easier to know what to expect from the video. Orange is for guides that have moving parts. This includes things like animatronics, small motion, or even larger props. Teal is for guides to a prop that is stationary. This is usually an alternative method of doing something like erecting a large tripod for a cauldron. Gray is for unboxing. I don't like doing unboxing, so don't expect any on this channel. That said, the one I did came out pretty well. Next we have maroon, which is for showcasing projects. This is usually to show final results from that year's haunt. Two new colors are going to be added. Green is going to be for tools. Tools are intended to help you out by using the video. As an example, there is a video to show how different RPMs look. This is intended just to help you visualize what speed would work best for you. Finally, blue will be for information. These videos are purely intended to give you information for topics not usually discussed or common questions that show up often. Information videos include setting up lasers but also having lights, or when to use glow-in-the-dark paint versus ultraviolet reactive paint. Hopefully this video has explained the structure of the Undead Laboratory. Please check out the different playlists that suit your needs.